How to make host in Google Meet. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll be learning how you can make host in Google Meet. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to launch the Google Meet app, just like I'm about to do now. And then after launching the app, you'll be brought to the home page where you would see all of the meetings you've attended, the ones you've created, and all of that. And then I must let you know that for you to make another person a host in Google Meet, you would have to be making use of the premium version of Google Meet. If you are currently using the free account, you won't be able to make someone else an host. But on Google Meet, whoever creates a meeting is automatically an host. Now, what do I mean? After launching your Google Meet app, move to the bottom right corner where you can see the new icon and click on it. Then after clicking on it, you'll see options such as create a new meeting, schedule Google Calendar, create group. So just click on create a new meeting, and then your meeting link will be created. All right, and then just go ahead and click on join meeting. Once you've done that, we brought to this page. Okay, so just go ahead and click on join, and then while you wait for others to join in, you would see that you're automatically an host. And how do you know? Move to the bottom right corner where you can see the three vertical dots. Once you click on it, you'll see some options displayed. Ensure you select either settings or host controls, any of the two. Selecting settings, you'll be taken to the settings page where you can, customize the call and make it the way you want. And by clicking on, by going to the top part of the screen to click on the code, you'll be taken to the page where you would see all of the participants, and then you see your name and you will see that you are currently the meeting host. Now, to make someone a co-host, like I said earlier, you have to ensure that you are currently using the paid version of Google Meet. And so if you fall under that category, by clicking on the meeting code by the top part of the screen, and when you are brought to this page where you can see three tabs such as people, info, activity, ensure you're on the people's tab. And once you're here, you would see all of the participants in this meeting. Once you can see them, move to the right side of the screen and then click on the three horizontal dots that you will see them, or three vertical dots that you would see there. When you see those dots, click on it. Then you see a list of options. Amongst the option, you will see the option make co-host. All right, make co-host, and then that person that you've selected will be a host just as you, and he or she will be able to perform things that you can also perform. So this is how you can make host on Google Meet. Thank you for watching and have a good day.